Want to boost sales by making your Shopify store shine on mobile? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can do that. First of all, choose a fully responsive theme that adapts seamlessly to any screen. Test on multiple devices to confirm layout, fonts, and buttons look great. Next, optimize your images by compressing them to under 200 KB, each using tools like Tiny PNG so pages load in under 3 seconds on cellular connections. Then simplify navigation with a clear mobile menu icon, big tappable buttons, and sticky footer bar for quick access to cart and search. Streamline your checkout by enabling accelerated methods like Apple Pay and Google Pay and remove any unnecessary fields to reduce friction. Finally, use Shopify's mobile analytics to track where users drop off and A/B test headline sizes, button colors, and form placements to continually improve conversion rates. And that's all you need to do to mobile optimize your Shopify store. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.